Hey everyone, I just had to share my experience with this oral-free flosser kit, which has seriously changed my dental game. So picture this. I've got braces, and anyone who's had them knows the struggle of cleaning around those wires. Enter oral-free. This thing is like a superhero for my teeth. A high-pressure water pulse, game changer. Gets rid of all that gunk that's impossible to reach between my teeth, even with brushing and flossing. Plus, it's gentle enough to not make my gums feel like they're under attack. Get this, it's just not one setting, it's got four modes of water pressure, so I can adjust it based on how my teeth are feeling that day. Soft mode when I'm feeling a bit sensitive, and the higher pressure when I need a deep, deep clean. Battery life, impressive. I charge it up once, lasts me a solid 15 days. Plus, it's waterproof, so I can use it in the shower without any worries. Here's a kicker, 4 dental tools come with it. Perfect for me and my family, so we can all just enjoy the benefits of this. Customer service I found to be top notch. Not that I've had to use it, but it does come with a whole year warranty after the purchase. So this has been a game changer for me, my family.